Hey guys, Adrian here. I'm sitting in a course and I got a question that I get over and over and over again. And I just wanted to share it with you because, frankly, I find it kind of annoying. And I just really want to help your mindset about this one if you struggle with this. And the question or the challenge was, hey, I'm really interested in trading, but I don't have the time to learn it. Have you ever thought that? If you're not already trading actively with your own system, have you thought, well, I'll do it later when I've got the time. I don't have the time. I'm too busy now. I'm sure we've all done it. I know I did at one point. But I just want to share with you that a while ago, I made the decision, like 15 years ago, I made the decision that I was going to learn. And I was going to make space in my life to learn how to trade stocks profitably. And the reason I did it was because I had a vision, I had a dream for my life that wasn't being fulfilled doing what I was doing. Because I was working like 60, 70 hours a week, maybe more some weeks, and just busting my butt to make my salary. And it just wasn't getting me ahead. And so, I started learning stock trading. I was really, really busy. I was traveling all the time. It was just nuts. And I got to a point where, it was a tipping point and I was close and I almost had it. And I went to my boss and I said, hey, I want to take some time off because I'm gonna develop a stock trading system so that I can make money in the stock market. And he basically laughed at me and said, yeah, whatever you want to do, it's fine, but good luck with that. And so, yeah, okay, thanks, buddy, I'll prove you wrong. And so if anyone ever doesn't believe in you, by the way, just, forge on ahead because you can prove them wrong eventually by getting this thing right. And so what I did, I took time off. I took a couple of months off work. Cost me a bomb because I had to give up my salary for 3 months while I did this. And I'm not saying you need to do that, by the way, because I took the long, hard road. But I took 3 months off and I developed my first stock trading system. And let me tell you what that 3 months bought me. That 3 months bought me my freedom. Not immediately, but eventually. Because by doing that, by developing my first stock trading system, it put my account in the right direction, on the right trajectory. And so I started trading systematically, and 7 years later, I was still trading that same system. I was still making money, which was awesome. And I managed to build my account. I paid off all my debts and built my account again after I paid off all the debts because of taking the time to learn. I didn't have the time, and I know you don't have the time because you're busy. We're all busy. But if you haven't made the leap, you need to carve out the time to learn this so that you can start trading profitably once and for all. If your account is not profitable, if you're not making the sort of returns that you want to make, if your drawdown is too big or your account volatility is too high, pause. Stop and take the time to learn, because in 5, 10, 15 years' time, that's what's going to buy you your freedom. It may not even be that long. It could be quicker, because I took a long time. I took the slow route because I was doing it myself. If you get someone to guide you, you can very quickly develop a stock trading system that works, that will ultimately enable you to buy your freedom back. And if you give in to the temptation, to the pressure of, I don't have time, you're never going to get that system going. And if you never get the system going, your account is not going to grow and your account will not get you the freedom that you want. So I just encourage you, if you're sitting there thinking, I want to learn stocks one day, I want to learn how to trade one day when I have time, stop. Make the time. Because by making the time, you will have all the time in the world. I in 2012, when I walked away from my job, I was, again, killing myself, common theme, working, really long hours and never seeing my family and all of that. And that year, my trading made more money than I did in my job. And my trading was only taking 20, 30 minutes a day. And I was doing that each day and then going to my day job, working 10, 12 hours or more. And I just wasn't getting ahead in my day job. Yeah, my career was going well and all of that, but it's the trading that got me free. And when my trading made more money than my job, all of a sudden, hey, I don't need this anymore. So make the time. The time is not going to miraculously appear in your life. Everyone is busy and everyone will remain busy because life fills up. The question is, what are you going to fill your life up with? So if you're still on the fence and you haven't carved out the time to learn this and take action, I implore you, do it now. Carve out the time. Stop something. Sleep less. Watch less TV. Work 1 hour less, take a lunch break, spend it on your trading. Do something to take action and develop that first stock trading system. And if you need help, comment below, let me know. Let me know what your questions are or the problems you're facing, and I'll see if I can help out. I'll respond to every single comment, and I can certainly help you accelerate that process and develop your first stock trading system faster so it doesn't take as much time. But by doing that, you'll get on that right trajectory and you'll be able to ultimately buy back your time in the future. So take the time now. We're all busy, but just commit, take action, and you'll be glad you did. I know I am. That investment I made in my time has paid off thousandfold in terms of return on investment, money-wise, but also lifestyle-wise, because being free, there's nothing better. So if you're not there yet, if you haven't started, now's the time. Click below if you've got any comments. Let me know. Don't forget to like and share the video. I'm Adrian from Enlightened Stock Trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.